have a Instagram business account and you're trying to post your reels and you can't find the music icon to add music to it, well, let me show you how to find it, so stay tuned. Here, I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Open up your Instagram account and go to your top left corner where the plus sign is, tap onto that. Go to Reel. Say if you record a video, for example. And here on the left hand side, you see the play button, smiley face, etc. You can't see the music icon at all. Here is my little secret. Tap onto that area where the music icon is supposed to be. And voila, there it is. It's hidden. I don't know why it's hidden. I know that with business account, you're not meant to be posting music that's not yours because it is a copyright infringement. And yeah, and if you do create reels, feel free to tag me on social media so I can check it out. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.